Hey everyone, let's take a look at how to use Teleprompter on Capcut PC. First, open Capcut on your PC and wait for the main editing interface to load. Then, click on Text from the top left panel. This will open the different text options available in Capcut. Now, click on Default Text to start working with the text that you want to use. Next, click on Text Effects from the left side. Here, you can look through the available effects and choose one that works well with your teleprompter text. After that, click on Add Text and then select Default Text again to create a new text layer. Now, type anything you want into the text box. If you're using the text as part of your teleprompter setup, you can enter the lines or content you want to display while working on your video. Once you've entered your text, use the corners of the text box to adjust its size. Resize it until the text is displayed clearly and fits the area you want to use. Now look at the options on the right side and choose the text color you want. Select a color that keeps the text clear and easy to see. Next, click on Animation. From here, you can choose an animation and apply it to the text to give it the effect you want. After setting up the text, you can add more text if you need additional lines or content. You can also continue adjusting the text to match the way you want it to appear in your video. Everything is set. Preview your text and make any final adjustments to the size, color, effects, or animation. And that's how you can set up and customize your teleprompter text in Capcut on PC. If this guide helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Capcut tutorials and editing guides. Thanks for watching.